Friends, take a breath with me, in and out. That breath is not yours alone. That breath has moved through forests, across oceans, through the leaves of trees, and through countless generations before you. Each breath ties us to all life. Each breath is earth breathing through us. And so say together with me, we belong. We often speak of living on earth as though we are visitors here, but the truth is deeper. We do not live on earth, we live of the earth. Our bones carry the minerals of stone. Our blood is salted by ancient seas, and our breath is a gift from trees and grasses, oceans and sky. We are not separate from this place. We are this place. And so we say together, we are the earth. And yet, how easily we forget. We rush across the land without truly seeing it. We consume more than we need, and we act as though the earth is endless and silent. But the earth is not silent. She speaks in 1,000 voices, in wind through branches, in birdsong at dawn, in the crashes of waves and the roll of thunder. And when the balance is broken, she cries louder. In storms that rage, in droughts that parch, in fires that consume, the earth is always speaking. The question is, are we listening? And so say together with me, we will listen. Remembering is not a new lesson. It is an old truth waiting for us to notice. To remember is to see a tree not just as wood and leaves, but as kin. To remember is to drink water and feel gratitude for its journey. To remember is to greet the sunrise not as routine, but as a miracle. And when we remember, reverence returns. And from reverence flows responsibility. And so we say together, we will remember. So how do we live as if we belong? We tread lightly. We take only what we need, and we give back where we can. Each act of care is a prayer. Each gesture of gratitude is an offering. Every choice to honor life deepens our belonging. This is not about perfection. It is about remembering. It is about choosing again and again to live as though we are part of this earth, because we are. And so we say together, we will care. Let us stand not as owners of the earth, but as children of this world. Not as conquerors, but as kin. Not as passers-by, but as participants in this sacred web of life. The earth has been here long before us, and she will remain after. But in this brief time that we are given, we have a chance to live in harmony, a chance to honor our belonging, and a chance to leave not scars, but seeds. So we say together one last time, we belong. We will remember. We care. We are the earth.